Are you not going to do it now?
Nope. Told you, once you get a camera out, they stop. It's like, never mind.
You were totally doing the brain
I'll stick
freeze.
that down your throat here. Yeah, there you go. You smart. Careful. You know, it's so funny about him. Like, if that was like dinner and fell in his lap, he wouldn't have done anything. But like ice cream falls in his lap, it's like, oh, where'd that go?
You were cracking me up, and now you ate the whole thing and didn't do it again.
Can I have the stick? Let me have it. It's all gone.
I was like, hold on, there's a little piece that fell.
Oh, I don't want that. I want the stick. Give me the stick. Oh, come on. Okay. He's like, okay, I'll do something else cute. No. Oh!
You're a brat.
I got it. Trash. All gone.